A journey has begun in VocabLand, where learning and adventure come together. New words are waiting to be discovered, each one full of meaning and possibility. Hidden paths lead to new ideas, inviting explorers to look closer and think deeper. Each step unlocks stronger word powers that help learning grow with confidence. Every word found brings new meaning and helps ideas take shape. Understanding grows with each discovery, one word at a time. Challenges turn into chances to learn and try again. Words become tools that help every adventure move forward. VocabLand needs brave explorers who are ready to learn and grow. Curiosity lights the way forward, guiding each step of the journey. With courage, imagination, and learning, the adventure continues with Timo the Word Scout.
Thank you for watching Vocab Cartoons. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Click the bell button so you don't miss our next word adventure. See you in the next video. Bye!